I'm Chad Mason, founder and CEO of Advanced Ionics, and we're developing the next generation of electrolyzers for green hydrogen production. So right now, fossil fuels are used to produce just about all hydrogen on the planet. This is usually coming from methane or natural gas or coal. So this is why we need low-cost green hydrogen. And up until now, there has been no innovations that have effectively addressed the cost issues with green hydrogen. So that's basically what we do at Advanced Ionics. Right now, hydrogen itself and the production of hydrogen for heavy industry contributes about 3% of all emissions today on the planet. And so solving the issue with dirty hydrogen, with green hydrogen, directly addresses those emissions, and it can be used to decarbonize other sectors as well, such as steel. So by itself, we can have an impact upon 10% of all emissions worldwide. So electrolysis is quite expensive because you have to take electricity to make hydrogen. So those two things are directly linked. So we reduce electricity requirements by 20 to 40%. And we do this by basically having tight integration with industrial facilities and building a system that operates in a way that's very easy for the customer to use and to maintain.